record. Okay, let's see function of each of the structures. For example, I don't want to do a whole leaf, but I can show only this part is the cuticle. Cuticle is a wax layer. So function of cuticle is prevent evaporation of water, and the second function is prevent entry of pathogen. So we can understand it like this. If the leaf has a large surface area and this is exposed to the sunlight because it needs sunlight to do photosynthesis. The surface area is high. If there is no wax layer, then the water can evaporate because of high surface area. So then it is not good for the plant. As a result, the cuticle wax layer make a barrier to prevent water evaporation. At the same time, when things like water, like things are on the surface, so then it provides a large surface area. There's a chance of bacteria and some other pathogen, they can go into the leaf and they can destroy it. So wax layer prevent this. And palisade mesophyll cell, they are very
So
high.
only pathogens, they prevent the cuticle.
Cuticle prevent evaporation of water, cuticle prevent entry of pathogens.
They
Okay.
prevent the evaporation of water means like preventing transpiration.
Well, transpiration happen through stomata. This can be controlled because we learned last time. This can be controlled by closing and opening the stomata. But if there is no cuticle, then water can escape from the leaf without control. That's not good because when sunlight is there, it get warmer, surface get warmer, and this can cause water can leave from the inside of the cell. For example, let's say these cells have the palisade cell or any cells, then these water molecules, they can escape if there's no barrier. So it's to prevent that, only water can leave from the stomata. This can be controlled. Okay, palisade mesophyll cell, they have a high number of chloroplast. So main place of photosynthesis. It's a main place of photosynthesis because they have a large number of chloroplast. Now, what's the spongy mesophyll cells doing? Spongy mesophyll.
What is it? Main place?
Of photosynthesis.
Main place of photosynthesis.
A spongy mesophyll cell, what they do, you can see here there's a large air space. So when this is, I had to erase this one. Okay. So if the carbon dioxide required for the uh, photosynthesis, carbon dioxide can enter, and this carbon dioxide that's available here, and this carbon dioxide can now move to these cells from spongy mesophyll cells. And after photosynthesis, oxygen is produced. So oxygen can also leave from this space because of the help of the spongy mesophyll cell. Not only that, water by transpiration, wet water is coming from xylem and phloem, and then finally it goes to the spongy mesophyll cell. From spongy mesophyll cell, then water can evaporate. This is a transpiration. So spongy mesophyll cells provide a space for gas exchange, and uh, also for transpiration. So it's an area where a lot of space there. So then
Yeah.
gas can easily take oxygen, carbon dioxide can exchange. With the help of spongy mesophyll cell, it make a lot of loose space. So then can maintain the concentration gradient. Okay, here guard cell. So main function of guard cell is opening and closing the stomata. The size can be changed with the time of the day. So then it helps to take out oxygen, take in carbon dioxide, and take out the water vapor. So this is the functions of leaf cells.